Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 band, and I'm gonna show you how to set the alarm clock on this smart band. First we need to wake up the screen on our smart band, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the option called the alarm. Once you find it, tap on it, and as you can see, at the moment we don't have any alarms, but if you want to create an alarm, tap on add on band, and then you can swipe up and down on the hours and minutes to set the time on which the alarm should go off. Then you can tap on next, and here we can customize it a little bit further. We can tap on repeat weekly, and we can select on which days the alarm should repeat. You can check them or uncheck them by tapping on them, and then you can tap on done. So for example, and now the alarm will repeat on Wednesday and the Friday, as you can see. Next we have the snooze option, and you can turn it on or off, and you can set the intervals and repeat options. So you can select the interval time and how many times it should repeat, and then you can swipe right to go back. And once you're done, you can tap on save, and the alarm will appear right here in the alarms menu, and you can turn it on and turn it off. You can add another one if you want to. Like this. You can tap on the alarm to edit it, like that. You can also change the date if it doesn't repeat. And if you press and hold on it, you can select it to delete the alarm, and once you delete it, it will be gone. Of course, once you're done setting up your alarms, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you set up the alarm clock on this watch, or smart band rather. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.